going to be showing you how you can easily build an e-commerce website, and also I am going to also be showing you how you can integrate a payment gateway so that you can be able to receive payment online. So I am going to do that step by step. So if you are not done watching the previous videos, you just go through the playlist and then follow the previous videos to be able to get acquainted of the previous videos that we have, the steps we have taken. Okay, so and also the previous video I sent to you, if you have not watch it and then practice it, is good you do that so that you can be able to know that you have completely covered that stage. So without wasting time, let us go into this tutorial on how to build an e-commerce website. An e-commerce website is a website where you can actually go to purchase products, and also it could be digital or physical products, just like Konga or Jumia. Okay, so you can actually set it up here without wasting much time. Okay, so now the what we need here, we are going to be needing a theme. Okay, and the theme we are going to use is called Astra theme. So when we go to theme, you go to add new theme. So we can come here, okay, and type Astra, but look at it here. So we install Astra theme and then activate it. So Astra theme always come with a starter template. Okay, so this is a starter template here you can easily install. But in case you didn't install it here, or maybe something happened and you didn't get it, just go to plugin, okay, and then go to add plugin. Okay, so you search for Astra. Okay, if you search for Astra, look at it here. So it's the same thing, so you just install it. Okay, after installing, you activate it. Okay, so that is the Astra theme. Okay, so once you install, okay, and then activate it, you can easily go to it. Okay, see it here, starter template. You click on get started here. It will bring you here and ask you whether to use AI. So we are not using AI, we are building from templates. Okay, so you click on build with template. So as you can see here, there are hundreds, if not thousands, of templates for different things. Okay, so but what we are going to focus is e-commerce. Okay, so we are just looking at e-commerce here. You can select the category you want here. Then we come down. So we are going to be looking at products. Okay, so let's just say we are looking at skincare products. Okay, so you can click on this one if it is one you want, but you can browse through the template. Many of them are free, while some of them are premium. So if you see the one that you like, if it is premium and you want to pay for it, you can easily go ahead and pay for it. But we are just using a free one here. So when you click, you will select the WooCommerce platform you are going to use. So we are using WooCommerce. Okay, so and it is very popular. That is why it's selected first. So once you are done, you click on next. Here it is where your branding comes into play. Okay, so you need to select the branding colors, okay, that you need. Okay, you can see how this one is because this is the color it's using. So assuming we change it, you see how it is. Okay, we can change it, you see how it is. Okay, so you have to select your color combination here. Okay, you can also select your font here. Okay, you can choose a different font. Okay, so you just go through and then make sure you get what you need. Okay, so when you are done, you click on continue. Now it will ask you to add a few features here. So but you can just skip this. If you need them, you can add them using the plugin. Okay, so we are skipping here. Now it will bring you to this place. So what you need to do is just to click submit and build my site. So we wait for it for a few minutes for it to finish. Okay, so it's almost done. Wow, congratulations. So the site is ready. So you can see view your site. Let's view it and see how it looks like. Wow. So here we are. We have a perfect site with our product well placed. You can see it. You can see it. Okay, so just within few minutes, we have been able to get this site to look this way. Okay, so all you need to do is just to customize it. Okay, change the image, change the write-ups, to make it your own. Okay, so you can see it. We can change virtually everything we see here. Okay, so how do we do that? We can just click edit page. Okay, okay, so here we have this. Okay, so here we can click here and then edit this. Okay, so let's just say the best skin, let's use care for you. Okay, so maybe we can add and family. Okay, so you can see this thing, the background has image. Okay, so when you click here, go to style. Okay, so make sure you click here. Okay, outside here the image itself, you go to style. You can see the image here. So if you have image, you can just click on change. Okay, and then either you browse from your system to get an image to replace it. Okay, let's just say we choose something like this. Let's see if it is wide enough. Okay, so select. Okay, okay, perfect. You can see it has been changed. So here you can adjust this image. You can see it, so that it will live where the text is. Are you seeing it? Okay, so now we can go to the next. The next section is the product section. So these are just short code that was pasted there here. Okay, so if you have followed the previous video, you can see how to get a short code from anything. Okay, we did it for the form, so you can get it and then just paste it here, but it has already been done for you, so you don't need to touch this section because this section is the product section. Okay, so we can come down a little. Okay, and then here is another one. You can click on the image and then we can change it to our own image. Okay, so you can select any image from here, or you look for another one from your system. Do I have image that look like that? Not sure. So I don't have image like that, but let's just use this one so it will be shorter. It's that one is longer. Okay, so we add it. Okay, see here. Okay, so we can click on this place. Okay, general. We can write everything here. Okay, so you can rewrite everything here. Okay, all these places you can rewrite them to your own. Okay, so all these things you can do them there. Okay, so let's look at if we can get some write-ups. Just quickly copy and paste it there. Okay, so let's just get something like this and go there. Okay, yeah, we paste. Okay, give it the space. Okay, so here we cut it, carry it to this place, paste it there. Okay, see it. So you practically can adjust anything that is here. Okay, just by typing in. Okay, so all these places you can adjust them and you know, add your own. Okay, so like the image I told you, you can also change anything you want to change there and edit it the way you want to edit it. Okay, so okay, you can see it. You just change it and then adjust it here. Okay, so it's pretty easy to do. Just follow it. It's pretty easy to do. Okay, we add it there. That's all. Okay, you can see it. Okay, so when you are done, okay, when you are done with all the adjustments, okay, all you need to do is just to click on save. Okay, that's all. So let's view the page. You can see it. You can see all that will change has appeared. See, fits perfectly well. Okay, so you can see it here. So it is pretty much easy. So when you go to a shop page, you will see that all the products will be listed here perfectly well. Okay, so we go to about us. You can see about us, so you can actually do what we did on the home page by clicking on edit and then change everything. Okay, likewise contact page. Okay, you can see it. You can edit everything. Okay, so if you watch the previous video, you will know how to add your email to this contact page. Okay, so if you watch it, you will be able to know that. I am not going to show you again because I've covered here before. Okay, so now the next part is we have finished designing the outlook and everything. The next part will now be how to integrate a payment gateway so that when people pay you, you can be able to, when people come to your product and want to purchase, they can be able to actually make payment online. Okay, so let's take for instance, this is your shop and somebody click here, okay, for this product. The person should be able to, you know, add to cart, okay, and after adding to cart, the person can be able to check out, okay. Uh, okay, you can see the person can be able to check out. Sorry, I click wrong one. Click on add to cart and click on your cart. There's update, okay, check out. So here now, the person should be able to, put the payment detail, and then instead of just placing order, the person will be able to, make payment before, the order is being approved. Okay, so how do we do that? There are so many payment gateway. So because I am a Nigerian, I use a Paystack. Okay, and the Paystack is a popular payment gateway that you can use for your e-commerce website, as long as WordPress is concerned. So all you need to do is you go to Paystack, okay? If you have not registered Paystack, it's very simple. You just go to their platform and then click on register, and then follow the procedure, and then upload your business documents, and they will get you approved. So when you are approved, you can come down here, you go to your settings, okay? So you can look at here, you see your API keys and the hook, okay? So when you come to this section, you should be able to have this live key, okay? And then you should also be able to have this public key here, okay? So you have to copy public key and then copy the live key, okay? And then be able to integrate it, okay? So now, uh, uh, for you to do that, we are going back to our WordPress, okay? And then I'm clicking dashboard. So we go to the WooCommerce and go to settings. So you can be able to take your time to set up the WooCommerce, okay? Your address, your city, the country you are, and pretty much everything, including the currency that you are using, okay? So you can see currency here is in dollars. So since we are concentrating Nigeria, you can do NGN, okay? So you get Nigeria here, so that your product will automatically change to Naira instead of dollar, okay? So when you are done, you can click on save. So now what you need to do now is to head into your payments. When you click on the payment, you click on the payments, and then you scroll down. The first thing you are going to do is to enable cash on delivery if you want to run your business and you want to receive payment when you have delivered the product. So you check the cash on delivery button, and then you then click on the finish setup to be able to add other things that you need to add, okay? So you just go through it to be able to be sure that the settings are okay. Then you click on save changes. Then it will be done. Okay, so we are going back to the payment. Um, uh, payments again. And then when you come down a little, you are also going to be seeing a direct bank transfer. Okay, you use this one if you want people to send money directly to your bank account. Okay, because it's not everybody that wants to use their card on your website. So you can set it up here, okay, by just putting the description and then putting the instruction. Then you come down to put the account name, then you put all the configurations you need. So you will see the routing number and the IBN number and the Swift code. Those ones are the ones that the bank will provide for you. Okay, so just ask your bank the details and they will be able to provide you those details. Okay, so once you put all those informations, you can be able to receive payment from the people. You can also click on the add account to be able to add more if you want to add more account information. So now we are going back to uh, add a plugin because when you see we scroll down, we were not able to see the page tag plugin. So we have to go back to plugin and then click on page tag WooCommerce and install it. Okay. So when you type on page tag, you will see page tag WooCommerce. You install and then click on the activate button to be able to activate it. Okay. So when we go back to WooCommerce and click on settings, okay, and then go back to our payment button and then scroll down to the end, we should be able to see the pay stack here. Okay, so once you see it, you check the button on if you have not on it, and then you click on the pay stack, and then you will be able to see where you can put those your details. But make sure that if you are testing, you leave it on the text mode. Okay, you then add your test key and secret key. Okay, so there are two here. So but we are taking the text secret key, okay, and then the text public key. Okay, so you just check on the I button and then click on this place to copy it, and then we go back to our WooCommerce platform and then be able to paste the test secret key there. It must be on this test mode. So when you paste it, then you go back and then copy the live test public key, okay, and then you go back there and then be also paste it here. Okay, so once you do that, we are pretty much done integrating this page tag. What you need to do is just to click on the save button and then it will be able to be saved. So when you go back to the store, you can be able to see this page tag, so you can be able to pay. Okay, so it is just as simple as that. Make sure it is on the text mode when you are testing, but when it is live, you can come back and then copy the live secret key and then the live public key, and then go back and then uncheck this button. Now you can see it has changed to live secret key. Okay, so you can now paste it there, and that is pretty much how you can be able to set up this stuff. It is not actually difficult. It is quite straightforward. So we are going to visit our website now to see how it works. Okay, so now, yeah, as you can see, it has changed to naira because we actually use we change the currency. Okay, if you have forgotten how we did it, we just went to the WooCommerce, okay, and then on the general tab, we just scroll down to currency section, okay, and then change the currency to naira. So that is how you can change it to any currency you want. So now if we click on checkout now and scroll down, you will notice that we have several payments. The above that we just left is bank transfer, and after bank transfer, you see the bank direct bank transfer. So after direct bank transfer, we have cash on delivery, okay, and we also have a debit. So when you click on debit, that means you want the people to pay using their credit card, okay. So you want to pay using your credit card. Okay, sorry, because we are already on the purchase platform. Okay, so if I want to also pay using direct bank transfer, I will check on direct bank transfer, okay, and then use it. So, but if I want cash on delivery, I can check on cash on delivery. So, but it is you that will set it up. So, I want to just put some demo details, okay, so that we can see how the card works, okay. So, we select our country, and then we go down and then put all the details, okay. So, we just put a demo stuff, okay. Number 4 Mambila, okay, street, just for demo purpose, and then we put FCT, okay, and then we select Abuja, okay. So then we just put a demo phone number, okay. So we are pretty much ready. We can hit the place order button. So once you do that, you will see that it is going to route you to the pay stack page. Okay, so where you can now be able to enter your card details and then make the payment. But look at how it looks like, because you can't put card because it's on a test mode. But we can actually check the success button after. Okay, and also the transfer is not actually working because it's also on a text mode. We also have a USSD, okay, and the USSD, we can be able to just use a code to be able to send the transfer, okay, to various banks that are listed there, that are supported, okay. So, but coming back to card, we can just check on the sources to be sure that everything is working, okay. Okay, you can see it. So the setup is very, very correct. So that is exactly how you can be able to actually integrate your payment gateway in your store, and then be able to receive payment from your customers. It is as simple as that. And as it is, you have built a complete, e-commerce shop. Okay, just in within or less than 1 hour, it is ready. So you can see how beautiful the site is, how the product and everything is aligned and everything. So, but the next question is, now that we have integrated the payment gateway, how are we going to change all these products? Because all of them are demo products. It is very simple. Okay, we can go back to our dashboard and click on products. Okay, so when we click on products, select all products, it is going to bring us here. Okay, so these are the demo products. So you have two options. Is either you just check on the this button here and then send them to trash. That means you are deleting them. Okay, or you can be able to edit the individual products one after the other. Okay, so you can just edit them one after the other. Okay, so I will uncheck, and then let's just use one as instance. If we click on this edit, okay, we can come back here and change the name there, and then change the description to whatever description the product has, and then come down here and change the product price here. Okay, okay, so we go down actually small, and then also change the short description here, and that is pretty much it. Okay, so we can actually come back here and then select the category the product belongs to. You can always add by clicking all this add new to add new category, or you can go back to product and go to category, and then there you can be able to change add all the categories you want your product to have, so that when you are putting it, you will just come back here to select each of them. Okay, so after you are done, you can just click update. Okay, so I think we have to do this one, just to practicalize what I'm saying. So let's do jean polo. Okay, and then we come back here. Let's select all this and then change it. Okay, we just also repeat the jean polo. Okay, now let's come down and then let's just put 10,000 as the product price. Okay, so we come down a little and then we can just change the image by clicking on it. Okay, we just click on it. We can select from inside if we already have the product images uploaded here, or we can go to upload file and click on select file. So we down, let us just look for something that we can use for this practice. Okay, anything at all that just resemble products, we can just use it. Let me just find something that resemble products so that we can just use it for the practice. I'm not seeing anything. Like we'll just select this instead of wasting time. Let's just select this and then use it. Okay, so we have selected it and then look at it here. So what we need to do is just to go and click on update, and once we do that, it has been set. So let's go back and then refresh and then look at how it appears. Okay, you can see it perfectly there. The product has been added and the price, okay, 10,000. Okay, if we click on it, we can be able to see how it looks like. You can see it here. Okay, so the person can actually check out, and we have our product there. So we can do it one after the other to change all of them. Okay, and then when we are done, we can now begin to add new products by just clicking on the add new product, and that is pretty much what you need to do in order to be able to actually get these websites done. So even if you are building for yourself, which I advise you, if you are selling products online, you need to actually uh, get a website where you can redirect the traffic to your website. Okay, so it is always good, because I know there are people who are selling on Facebook and Instagram, but you can see they can just wake up one morning and then see that their website or their Instagram handle or their Facebook handle has been, blocked, and there's nothing you can do. You will lose all your customers and then lose all the contacts. You will not be able to make any sales. But if you are redirecting them to your website, it is permanent. It's always there. Okay, so and as they are purchasing, you will be able to have the customers' details, and then if anything happens, you can always reach them. Okay, so that is why it is always good for one to have an e-commerce website if you are selling any product. So I am taking time to put you through on how to build all these things, so that it will not just be that you have finished learning how to build website, but you cannot actually build a particular thing. Okay, so that is pretty much it for now.